Good afternoon, everybody. We are back and we are ready to go. I see it. Moji, I'm not slacking, man. I told you guys I was going to be 5 minutes late. It's all right. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, Ferrasti in the chat, baby. What's going on, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, all of you guys. We got PS5, Dark Bro, PS5, PS5, Dark Bro, Gorilla, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Gorilla, PS5, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Whitread, Gorilla, Moji, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Gorilla, Gorilla, Dark Bro, DD214, Moji, Tim, Gorilla, Whitread. We got DD214, Kalani, Dark Bro, Moji, Genji, DD214, Back to the Future, Moji, Gorilla, Genji, Gorilla, Back to the Future, Moji. You guys were here a long time. Kalani, Whitread, DD214, Gorilla, and Moji. Whoo! What's up, guys? How you doing? All right, let's check the market out and see what's happening. AMC sitting in the top left-hand side of the screen, down 5.80% today, sitting at $8.12 per share. Shiba Inu coin, bump up, dead sideways all day. GameStop, 1889. Bitcoin sitting at 25,884 right now. Not bad. We'll see if PS5 is still in his short position right there or not, but looking good if he is. NASDAQ overall lost about 1% of the day, 0.89% lower. AMC, $8.12. GameStop, $18.89. Dogecoin, 6.3 cents. Ethereum, 16.37. Shib is 7.58. Bitcoin sitting at 25,885. SPY, 4.44. Ooh, the SPY was down 0.31%. Fared better than the NASDAQ today. QQQ, 3.72. Juan Espino, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, my man. If you're in here, appreciate you. Mullen sitting at 42.48 cents, down to 41.94 cents after hours. Sundial sitting at $1.88. Netflix, 4.43. Highcraft Mining, 33.6 cents. MPW, 6.73. Tesla sitting at 2.51. Joby, 7.26. And TMC sitting down 5% today at $1.16. Who was in TMC? Are we still watching this? This doesn't have much volume there. 25,872 on Bitcoin. We're going to watch under the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Kalani, sup, Gorilla. Kalani, did you do well today? I saw you type something up there. What a day. Calls printed, baby. I love it, Kalani. Congratulations to you on that. Keep that up, man. Keep it up, all right? And you know what? Don't be afraid to tell us when you had a bad day as well, because there's a lot of people right now that might be sitting there wondering, oh, dang, man, Kalani's doing it. Kalani's doing very well. They need to know the bad days. You don't have to tell us how much. You don't have to tell us any numbers like that. Just let us know today was a down day, okay? Hey, Lith and Mike, oh, welcome. Read my first. Outdoor Smile, that is your first. You just tricking me, man. You just tricking me. Lit, 88 euro. Thank you, Gorilla. Absolutely picked up 5K M play. There you go. Dark Pro, 790 XRP. Dark Bro, I feel more comfortable with you in XRP than I do meta play, but I'm glad you're taking your long shot chances as well. Gotcha, Mamba. Outdoor Smile. Yeah, I read his first. That is his first, man. Trying to get me in some sort of an infinite loop. And 100 billion Baby Doge. Nice. Dark Bro, man. I don't even know what Baby Doge is at right now, but let's go to $1. I want to see Dark Bro with $100 billion, man. Claybro, tag John Twitter X for my scab of the day. Hope you like it. It was for the Claybro family. Let's go! Technical analysis, yet not financial advisor. Absolutely. Let's see if I got Twitter open here. I do. All right, PS5 notifications. Mentions. Oh, here he is. 8 minutes ago. I like it. Let's check it out. What do we got, PS5? 8 minutes ago, my man. It says, gains for the day. That 1 minute chart per USDT ain't no joke. For that scale and running on a 60... Oh, my dear. Dude, how the heck are you 65x leveraging? Where are you doing this, man? Where lets you 65x leverage perp? Bang! It says it's only 50% up. Moving averages. Stochastic RSI MACD, baby. All day, every day. Claybro Army for life. This dude is ripping. Oh my gosh, dude. So you're jumping into perp on 65x leverage on a 50% daily gain. Dude, you crazy, PS5, but I absolutely love it, man. I hope it rips for you, and I hope you make as much money as possible. Bragging that I won $87 on Bitcoin. Hey, there you go. Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile, where are you doing that at? Because I saw that Crypto.com now is they got their up-down kind of, I think they call it up and down or whatever, but they got something there where you can essentially buy an option on Bitcoin and Ethereum moving up and down. I think you need like $500 or something in order to do it, and you're essentially putting a $500 spread on there, right? So your risk to reward ratio is pretty interesting on the way they're doing that. For example, if you could give Bitcoin a $100 take profit, and if Bitcoin drops down $100, then you make $100. It would give you, however, I believe a $400 stop loss at that point. So if Bitcoin ends up going the wrong way by 400, you're going to be pulling back. If you really think it's running, then you can go in there and put your take profit $400 away, but it would only be a $100 stop loss. So are you doing it on Crypto.com? Because that's an interesting up-down strategy they got there. Or is it somewhere else? But very nice, dude. And if you did send that first, it did not show up. The first comment that I read from you was read my first. That's the first one that showed up in here. That's 100 billion. Yeah, 100 billion with a B, baby Doge. I went dark, bro, to have $100 billion, man. Oh, I'll admit my Apple puts lost me $33. Sold all 5 contracts. Also, sold my 3 AMC puts for a $9 loss. More important to mention, I read the change in trend and flipped from puts to calls. Boom, baby. Very nicely done, Kalani. I'm loving that right there, man. And good. No shame in that at all, man. No shame in that at all. People need to make losses kind of a reality in the stock market. All you gotta do is make sure that your losses don't exceed your gains, or you don't lose so much that you can't show back up tomorrow and continue it on. Hey, bro, updated the Yield Max dividend spreadsheet and posted it in the Discord. Updated Yield Max dividend spreadsheet. There it is for September. What do we got here? AMZY, all right, paying 41 cents. Apple paying 22 cents. Okay, so they're a little bit lower than the past. Facebook paying 28 cents, Google paying 29 cents, Netflix paying 41 cents, Nvidia paying 92 cents, ARK Invest paying 36 cents, and Tesla paying 58 cents. All right, yeah, so they didn't do as well on their call options as they have in the past, but very nice. Guys, if you're looking at that, you've got some major dividend payers over there, all right? And I am sitting on, I believe, 8 of the 10 or 11, whatever total yield maxes there are right now. I do not have Disney, I do not have Microsoft, and I do not have Exxon. Those are the ones that I do not own. So the other ones I do own, just to be clear, I don't know. I mean, I don't want people thinking that I'm promoting these things and not know that I own them or whatever, but no, they're paying great dividends right now. I'm not promoting them or anything like that. So invest in them if you want, but I do own the ones that I just talked about there. Up $247 realized today, almost double my 7 to 3 full-time job, off to my second job. Boom, side hustle. Kalani, perfect, man. Let me tell you this, dude, you're doing it on a small amount of money too, okay? Keep accumulating, those lower levels, and then imagine, don't picture yourself, this is where you're going to run into trouble, okay? Don't picture yourself 10xing your account and then going in there and hitting $2,400 days. Don't need to do that, man. Picture yourself going in there, 10xing your account, and then how easy it's going to be to hit those $247 days. If you keep it realistic, man, because soon, if you 10x your account, you're going to be thinking, oh, dang, dude, I could be making $25,000 a day. Dude, people with $100 million don't even make $25,000 a day, so you don't need to worry about going that far into it. But I'm telling you, dude, if you build that account up, it's going to be so easy. You can have so many losses, and it's still not going to take away from the fact that you can average the $247 a day and slowly, yes, increase that number to more. But I can tell you it's going to start happening. You're going to start thinking, dude, once I 10x my account, I'm making $2,500 a day. You don't need to do it, man. And then you don't need to start thinking about $25,000 a day. It'll very quickly allow you to go in there, blow one trade, and blow a very, very large portion of your portfolio. So don't let it happen, man. Clebro, heard the CPI data is incoming this month. Can we expect volatility? Because the daily Bitcoin is still looking in a downtrend. Yeah, so I don't know what the... Let's see. Do you know what day it is? Alright, I don't have that pulled up on here. Let's see if we can see what day it is, or if they've got expectations out. Oh, FX Streets, whatever. Alright, I didn't have that open. We'll pull that open here. FX Street Economic Calendar. Let's see what this bad boy is showing us here. Does anybody know what day CPI is coming out? Alright, if you don't, just let me know. Anyone drink Dunkin'? Free coffees all Mondays in September. Need to be a member and one purchase. Oh, interesting. Lith, man. I did not know that. I did not know that you could do that all month long on Mondays. And Clay, bro, you only have one that is not paying a dividend so far. Which one? Coney? Okay. Yeah, I didn't know if Coinbase was going to be paying a dividend so far or not. I got into that one. I believe that's actually my lowest holding so far out of all of them. But I got into that one expecting that it might not pay a dividend. I didn't know, because it had only been out for a couple days, if there was going to be a significant enough income generated by options to be able to pay that. So, yeah, dude, I'm feeling pretty good about that. My strategy, and I will say this, I currently do have a little bit more, they're not all even. I do own Tesla more than I own the other ones, but that's because the spread on Tesla between the bid and the ask is only a cent right now. So, it seems to be much more heavily traded than all of the other Yield Max ETFs, so I did add more to that one than the other ones. But my plan, man, is to diversify into all of those. Depending on Exxon and some of the other ones, they do have pretty low options premiums. So I don't know if they're going to be able to generate a massive amount of options income. But, yeah, dude, build a portfolio by averaging and diversifying into all of those just to see how it plays out, man. If they can keep that up, I mean, it's a gold mine. If they can keep that up, everybody should be able to retire by the end of the year if they can keep that up. I mean, it's ridiculous, the amount of returns they're bringing. Only thing New King is known for is double D's. Only thing Dunkin' is known for is double. Wow, man, Dunkin' Donuts, you get. Oh, I guess that's good. Lith 88. Only down 0.26% overall in 16 positions. I'll take it. There you go, Gorilla. Bones peeping this week, all right. Bones, where you at, man? Is J Bones in here? Every time I go to Dunkin', I feel like I got ripped off. Well, now, Roulette Wheel, you're not going to get ripped off because you got free coffee on Mondays, man. He didn't message me about golf. Uh-oh. Got to keep the little lady happy, Outdoor Smile. That you do. In the Roth, I sold 32 Google for a gain, half that position, and bought 42 ARK. On the long-term retirement portfolio, bought an additional 42 ARK, 14% annualized versus 24% annualized for current yields. Yeah, and that was actually, okay, Frank, those can fluctuate, you know that, but in that ARK, dividend is actually much lower than was annualized in the previous one. What I would... Frank, if you want to do it, you've already got the spreadsheet right now. Don't annualize the latest dividend. Annualize the average dividend. So go in there and add up all those dividends and see what it actually paid on average. Because ARK Invest and Tesla both have some decent numbers here. I can type them in if you want, but you've already got them in a spreadsheet, it looks like. Add all those dividends up, dude, and then see what it would pay with an average dividend as opposed to taking the latest dividend and annualizing it out like a lot of the websites are doing and a lot of the brokers are doing right now. I would be interested in knowing that number because I feel more comfortable with an average than I do the most recent being multiplied out by 12x. Golf is only like one full day. One full day. What, at the beach? Just a nice full day out of the 5 days you get to spend at the beach. Oh, hey, did Bones go to the beach? Hey, Bones, man. I know you're not listening, but congratulations if you're at the beach right now. Enjoy it, dude. Clay, bro, after my gains on KAS, I finally shorted at 41.20 or 412. Now, it looks like it's going up. Can you explain the trend on the 1 minute if possible or other, not financial advice? KAS. Well, let's see if we can pull up a 1 minute on CoinMarketCap. I don't think that KAS is on Webull. Also, I got this open. Let's see real quick if CoinMarketCap, if the CPI data is coming out this week. No, I want next week is what I want, not this week. This week's already over. That's kind of useless, huh? Show me next week. All right, we have CPI. Okay, so Consumer Price Index is coming out next Wednesday. There's currently no consensus estimates that we can look at here. So I don't know if they're estimating a rise or an increase from the 3.2% that it's currently at or not, but we're going to have to wait and see what the analysts are expecting in terms of Consumer Price Index. But that number's coming out on September 13th. So yes, it will have an effect on Bitcoin. It's going to have an effect on the overall market. I just don't know if it's going to be positive or negative yet. Well, clearly nobody's going to know until it's released, but the expectations aren't even positive or negative yet because they're not posted. So let's go out here and look at KAS real quick. KAS. Caspa, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got? Dude, if you took a short on this at 41, you're freaking killing it already. They don't give me a trading view, so I can't break this down as well as I would have hoped for. The only thing that I can see right now is that you may be double peaking. So we drop down nicely. This level right here, okay? Resistance. You may be at a level of resistance testing it right now, and you might be on your way back down to 39 cents. But once you get to 39 cents, I don't know how far leveraged you are. Once you get to 39 cents, you could be seeing some support there. So I wish I could break it down and see a little bit of a longer term 1 minute chart, but there's no trading view on CoinMarketCap here, so I can't mark the screen up. It just looks like you might be falling off that resistance level, and you may be able to run, maybe be able to let it run a little bit further than it's currently at right now. But don't get greedy, man. You know, put a stop loss on there at your break even. If you're making money right now, don't lose it, dude. Where we at? Oh, Claybro, I've also got a monthly yield max spreadsheet on my positions. Just posted the update in the Discord, my personal tracker. Very nice, Frank. What do we got here? Roth, RM, long term, maybe monthly, total, monthly dividend, total dividend. Frank, so based on this chart right here, I don't know what RM, the Roth monthly, and maybe the long-term monthly, and then your total monthly dividends. So it looks like your total monthly dividends then are going to be about $316 at the current levels with the latest payout. Is that what you got there? $316 for this latest payout, dude. It's freaking fun. And look, Frank, you don't have to go in there, right, and 10x your position already. But imagine if at the end of next year or whatever, this is a legitimate strategy, and then you continue this on. Dude, if you can accumulate, imagine, like, making a full-time salary on these dividends. If you 10x, and I don't know, based on those numbers, dude, I can kind of estimate how much you have into them. But, and you don't have to let us know that, but, you know, dude, imagine over the course of time, 10xing your position there, and that, if you reinvest your dividends, it's going to help even more, dude. So imagine being able to 10x, and all of a sudden you're ripping, and these are low numbers based on past ones. Imagine you're bringing in $3,000 a month. If you use the previous numbers, that month would have been $6 grand. So, dude, you start taking some averages, you're gonna be making $4,000 or $5,000 a month if you can stack up on that portfolio right there. And, dude, don't retire on 4 or 5. Keep kicking butt, man. But I'm telling you right now, you're gonna be in a good position if that's the focus. You make us sadness after your tweet on X about the total of transactions and the burn fees we have. It's a huge amount. Yeah, Arctic Kids, man. Here's the thing, though, and I'm being dead serious. If you do feel a little bit sad about that, let's fix it. You know what I mean? Let's fix it. Let's work on it instead of being sad about it. So that's my outlook on it. I mean, you did laugh there, so I don't know if you're joking or not, but that's the thing. It is very, very low, and I completely agree with you. It's way too low. But people need to know it's low. Because, dude, I'm going to tell you right now, if there truly are like 3 million Shiba Inu coin members and 3 million people who believe in this coin, dude, it should give you goosebumps thinking about what 3 million people working together would be able to accomplish. That should give you goosebumps, man. So we got to point out the hurdles. We got to point out the problems. And we've got to turn them into opportunities. So if people do know and begin to understand that the burn fees are drastically low, I mean, we can really make that bad boy turn around, dude, and we can accomplish what people are going to call magic. Frank, give away all your secrets. Will you lose gains? No, Outdoor Smiley's not going to lose any gains, man, because it's not his secret, right? Yield Max is going out there, and Yield Max is... They're playing call options, all right? They're essentially creating synthetic shares on stocks like Tesla by buying and selling call and put options, and then going out there and generating income with call options and so on. In doing so, they're able to track the performance of the underlying stock. We use Tesla, for example. They're able to track the underlying performance of Tesla, and I'll pull up a graph here. They're able to track the underlying performance of Tesla, but they're able to generate some crazy income as well. So why does Tesla not show up? Let's just look at Tesla here. This is Tesla. Okay, keep it in mind. Well, let's just look at the last month or so. But honestly, if you want to look at the whole entirety of 2023, this is the graph. Let's look at Tesla. It's gonna have better volume, but look at Tesla here. It's very marked up, but it comes down at the beginning of 2023, up, so down, up, zigzag, up, down, up, zigzag, down, up, or up, down, up. That's the exact same pattern. I mean, if you take all the lines off the other one, can I add? I don't know if I can add another chart, but I mean, you guys can clearly see there's just lines on the screen on the one and not lines on the other one. They have done a phenomenal job with those synthetic shares. Now, volume here was very, very low. You guys can see that. Volume at the inception was very, very low, but it looks much better as more and more people are adopting these ETFs. So, as you can see, a very, very similar chart pattern. It is not perfect, but it's very similar. The difference is, okay, so you're still taking advantage of the capital gains. The difference is, this is Tesla. Tesla does not pay a dividend. Tesla pays a 67% dividend. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? Would you look at that? Dude, Tesla paying this dividend right here is phenomenal. Now, I will say this, okay? You could go out and do the same thing owning Tesla. What they're doing is generating income using these options here. And you, too, could generate a 4 to 5% monthly return by selling call options if you were able to own 100 shares of Tesla. It's $25,000 at the current levels, guys. It's a big commitment for anybody to own 100 shares of Tesla. So for as little as $14.69, you were essentially reaping the options income on shares of Tesla while still maintaining the price. So these ETFs actually are phenomenal if these guys can keep it up. They've done so for several months. It's like 10 months that they've been doing this on Tesla here, and the other ones could do very well. Let's see. I've always stood by sharing information. All information possible with the bros. I'm in this with everybody here. Yeah, Frank, for real, man. And you know what? Frank does disclose a lot about his portfolios as well, size and so on. And you guys don't have to do that, right? But I absolutely love, man, bringing stuff up like this and bringing things to people's attention so that you guys can make your own decisions. Look, I decided to get into and diversify into these ETFs here. Dude, if these guys can keep it up, look, you guys need to know this. There is a 1% of fee associated with the total accumulated holdings or assets under management that the managing company of these yield max ETFs have. So they are essentially a hedge fund or mutual fund or an investment fund that you're buying into. They're charging you it's 0.99%, I believe, but they're charging you a 1% fee in order to generate these returns. But dude, I mean, if they get you 50% annualized returns on the dividend, they can have my 1%. My gosh, dude, they can have my 1%. If I don't have to, look, you guys can see there's some gray hairs in here, and as my hair gets a little longer, it's easier to see. There's some gray hairs in here, dude, and I know it's because half you guys like to troll, and the other half is because looking at options chains and looking at stock prices going up and down, dude, it hits you with some grays, man. So if these young kids, man, want to go out there and drink Red Bull all night and stay up with all of these ETFs, let them do it. Let them turn gray, dude. I'll just make the passive income. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, Clear Bro, check out Multiverse X, EGLD. This is one of my favorites. Also, here's some authorized hydration. Oh my gosh. And I barely got any left, Dark Bro. Dark Bro possibly giving me the last of the authorized hydration. And also reminding me with that beautiful hydration that it is 4:30. Dark Bro, man. It is 4:30. Guess what that means? For all you noobs out there, that means you're going to get hit with an ad because let's just double the ad revenue on these live streams. And there's an ad. Let me know if you actually got hit with that ad there. If you didn't get it, you good. Adam Aaron deliberately trying to kill AMC Stock. I don't know the reason behind pushing out more shares. Yeah, roulette wheel. Look, it is speculative to say to bail his hedge fund buddies out. I mean, why else would you sell AMC at the lowest price the shares have ever been? Why would you dilute at the lowest price that it has ever been? Especially knowing that you've got like multi-billion-dollar quarters coming up with records being broken from Barbie and Oppenheimer and this whole Taylor Swift thing. Why dilute at all-time lows? If it's to raise money, that's stupid. That's the lowest amount of money he could ever raise. So there's got to be another reason. What would it be? If it doesn't make sense to raise some money, of course it could be to help his friends. To give those shorts some shares. Ooh. Now that seems sketchy. That is, of course, a theory. Nobody knows the intentions behind it, but when you look at the facts and the logic behind the situation, it would make zero sense to sell shares at these lows. EGLD. Dark Bro E. Let's see here. EGLD, Multiverse. Ooh. I didn't even know this bad boy existed, Dark Bro. It's sitting on a $640 million market cap right here. Yeah. I mean, we could be rolling in this one. Let's see where the market cap. Ooh. This is nuts, okay? I did not know that Multiverse X even existed And this bad boy was a $10 billion coin in the bull market. Now, Dark Bro, this came from lows of around $100 million, so it still could go much lower to reach those all-time lows. Question is, though, will it? I'm doubtful that it will, because you probably got a lot more holders now and a lot more money in the liquidity pool than you did when it was first introduced at the end of 2020. So I'd be skeptical that you're going to see prices of around $100 million market cap. But, dude, looking at this, is it possible to get back up there? Oh, absolutely. It would be possible to get back up there. Now, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they've continued to build. I don't know any of that stuff. But, yeah, dude, looking at this right here, 10, 15x increase to get back up to that $9 billion market cap. This bad boy was on the map before. And this just goes to show you, people love buying in bull markets. $10 billion flowing into that bad boy right there. And 10 flowing into this bad boy right here. Oh, I had my eyes closed and I was hoping that it wasn't another one. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the superhero super bro. I don't know why you guys gotta go back to back like that. Also, if you're trying to deduce why somebody does something, the only reason somebody would logically go back to back on any super chat like that is that they hate me. Oh, God. I started to picture that I was actually flying. I started to think that I was actually flying there. I have no idea why Chris spends money on stuff like D-Day, dude. If he just sat here and pretended that he was flying for just like 2 minutes like that. Chris, dude, save yourself some money and time, man. My gosh. I mean, Moji is a nurse, so I don't think that he would, I don't think he'd be putting me through anything that Dark Bro. God. I don't think that you guys would put me through anything that could actually be harmful, right? But I do feel like I'm flying right now. Dude, I don't know if it's just me or if it's everybody, but did you start hearing Aladdin singing to you when you were doing that? I heard it was dark. My eyes are closed, it's dark, and I'm seeing stars, and I can just hear Aladdin singing to me. I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder. Yeah, I'm dead serious. I heard Aladdin singing to me, man. I was flying on a magic carpet ride on that one. Oh, God. Moji, too. When I had my eyes closed like that, I was picturing myself on a magic carpet ride. And it is a black shirt, so you guys can't see it as much. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, you got it there. You guys already got me, man. You guys already got me on this one. You almost put yourself in... Not true Duckle. I think I did put myself in a trance, man. I had my eyes closed, dude, and all I could see was... You know, when Aladdin took Jasmine out and it was nighttime right before they sailed up to the fireworks in China there, and we're watching the fireworks take place, and they were looking at the stars going through on their magic carpet ride. That was just happening. So, yeah. You guys are nuts. I bet you're lightheaded. I'm not lightheaded in a weird sense. I'm lightheaded in like a heavy sense. It's kind of weird, dude. It's kind of weird. I am coming back down to normal. I do wish I had some water right there, though, so we could get some water right now. But only star, you see a long sun with a light at the end of it. There you go. Outdoor smile. I am committed. I will not stop unless I fall down. And then if I fall down, and even if I'm out for like 45 seconds to 10 minutes, I won't know how long it is. I'll just get back up and finish. So if it happens on like the right hand as opposed to the left hand and the two hand, if it happens in the middle of it, dude, I'll just get back up and finish. But yeah, we don't stop. We don't stop ever. All right, none of that. Yeah, let's put yourself in a chance. So enough. I'll be laughing on my way into the MRI tube. Do it. Combo, you getting an MRI, man? Don't laugh in the MRI tube. You gotta stay still. A panic sold charge point. Oh well. Live and learn. What are we doing charge point? I did not see charge point today, even though it is on my watch list. Charge point, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Dang, man. I probably would have panic sold too, new foam. I'm not going to lie on that. Wow. All-time lows on charge point here of $4.96. I would have... I mean, if that was in my portfolio and I was watching it, I probably would have sold too. That's one of the times when you would hope you didn't look at it until like noon, or for you 9 a.m. But that's when you would hope you didn't look at it until like midday, dude, when it had already recovered. But what's the news here? Lower price target, lowering the price target. That's a pretty low price target, but $11, $14, $17, those price targets aren't bad. $8.25 is pretty low. What do they have earnings, or what's the deal with that? New folks, shed some light on it, man. Why did it fall? Simply because of the price targets being moved, or they're cutting jobs? Is that what we got, or what's the driver today? Because I probably would have been a panic seller in that one too. Back to the future! Hello! Did you miss my 6-month milestone super chat? Back to the future. I probably did. Very sorry. You didn't have to send this one. Let's go back up and look at it. If you sent it in here, I am sorry. It says, love being here. 100% waiting for my blue wrench, baby. Back to the Future 99. Very sorry that I missed that. I must have been going on some sort of a rant. And then they started sending those superhero super chats. So I am very sorry that I missed that, man. Yes, there's a lot of blues in here right now. So I don't know if we'll be passing out any new blue wrenches for quite some time. But Back to the Future, man. Thank you very much for that super chat there and for the 6-month member chat, man. Appreciate both of those. And thank you very much for keeping that green name for 6 months, dude. You guys are awesome. I love it, man. Holy moly, Moji. I feel you PS5, but a PS5, dude. Outdoor smile. These long-term time frames driving me nuts, bro. That there would be. Clay, bro, on the Bitcoin daily, 30 to 31,000. Then huge dump to 24,600 till now. Same candles, 26 to 28. Then huge dump from where we are on, where we stand on the chart. Let's see if I got all of that PS5. That is a lot there. 30 to 31,000, yes. Dumping off to 24.9, I think, is what you're saying down in this area, right? 24.6. 26 to 28 is kind of where we are right now with these candles. Yeah, in this area right here. Absolutely. And then huge dump from where we stand on the chart. Possibly. So if you're asking for where the next huge dump could be, it could absolutely happen from where we stand on the chart right now. And I hope I'm not misinterpreting. There was a lot going on in that question right there. But, yeah, so you got a nice little bounce off this red line. Okay, but we know this red line is a pretty strong level of support. If it does get broken, I can't say that it is going to get broken. If it does get broken, I highly doubt we spend another 45 days down here and wait for the SEC. I highly doubt that we spend another 45 days treading water at 26,000. I mean, we could, but I'm doubtful of that. So if we don't have a catalyst in the meantime to bring it back up, we are seeing bearish pressure right now, which would take us down. I believe a catalyst, negative catalyst, could dump this off back down to 22,000 from where we are right now. Those are my lines right there. A jump back up to 28, 29 if we bounce off this support. A fall down to about 22,000 if we break through that support. So hopefully that answers the question, man. I don't want to misinterpret the question right there. I think I'm at 1.61 Bitcoin Mo. No. 16,100 Bitcoin, Dark Bro. Clarification, something. 16.1, 1.61. Still sitting on 16.1 Bitcoin. Dude, I hope Moji has 16.1 Bitcoin, man. If you're sitting on 16 Bitcoin, dude, you're a freaking legend, man. A legend. A legend. Tim sitting on foot. You guys are legends, man. Oh my gosh. Whoo! Where are we at here? Tim and I both bagged Bitcoin at the bottom. There you go, dude. Outdoor. I've been a Bitcoin for a very long time. PS5. Recognizing all that matters. There you go. Pudgy first in the chat. I love it, Pudgy. Nice. Tim and Mo. Mo, you mean whoa? Yes, he does, Tim. That is exactly what he means. You guys are sitting on a very significant amount of Bitcoin, man. I love it. I love it. Now I don't want Bitcoin to fall so you guys can get some more, or any of us can accumulate more. Now I want Bitcoin to go up so Mo and Tim are sitting on $1 million a piece, man. My gosh. UFC 5 coming out. John Cena die rip. C. What? UFC 5 is coming out. I don't know what that is. And then John Cena die. Rest in peace. John Cena didn't die, man. There's no way John Cena died. Hey, have you bought any Shibarium coins yet? No. So, Jory, I was actually thinking about doing that, man. What is the... Let me see if I can find it on CoinGecko real quick. Oh, you know what? Let me see if I get Dex Tools up. I don't, but let's pull it up. Oh, maybe I do. Nope, that's Shibarium scan. No. Let's do this one. Okay. Now, it is Pair Explorer. No, 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 no. Where was... Oh, here we go. Alright, you guys can see this. Old Rounder, bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tick, tick, tick. 1 month to go, baby, and you got that, bro. Diamond. Old Rounder, bro. Thank you very much for the member chat. Appreciate you on that one, dude. And yes, it is going to be a 1-year membership very, very quickly here. Appreciate you, Old Rounder, man. Let's look at this really quick, though, because asking about Shibarium tokens, I don't mind transacting on Shibarium. I don't mind buying anything on Shibarium. I haven't done so yet, but I want to show you this in case you guys are looking at potential coins out there to buy. Dex Tools does a great job of displaying all the new coins and so on. So if you go to dextools.io, you can simply Google Dex Tools and pull it up. You've got all of these coins here, right? Now, that's a lot. If you want to focus on Shibarium, you come to the left where it says All Chains, and you find Shibarium. It's going to show you all of the coins that are being built on Shibarium. Right now, man, Daily Losers, Boneshi, CryptQ, Pepe, down, 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 down. Hot Pairs, Ryoshi is up. Looking at all of this. So you can go down here and you can see all of these different pairs. Well, I want to see the pairs, and I want to be able to... this is not bringing up enough of them. Let's see here. If I could do this. Pairs. Yes. And then sorted by price. Alright. So this is a decent way to sort through all of the pairs on Shibarium. Coming out to Dex Tools. Sorting by pairs. Now, I will disclaim this probably more than Shitoshi and the ecosystem team. Okay? All of these could rug. Please keep in mind that all of these coins could rug. Very few of them are probably going to be legitimate. Just keep that in mind. Right now, so very similar to all the Ethereum coins that you're going to be seeing on Dex Tools, this coin here, Qmix, must be like a cumulative total of some multiplication. So cumulative X here, like I said, must be a cumulative total of some multiplication factor. It has been out for 13 hours. It only has $1,500 in volume, guys, so please be aware of that. But it's up 8,000%. That's crazy. Total market cap is only $33,000. This one, Simp, must have something to do with The Simpsons. This coin has been out for a day, and it is up 5,000% to a total market cap of $300,000. It's got a $12 million market cap right here. Heru, it is up 1,000%. It's been out for less than a day, and apparently has a market cap of $12 million. Now, I don't know, is liquidity in Bone? Liquidity must be in Bone, okay? It just says total liquidity pool. And since Bone is the gas fee, I'm going to make the assumption that it is in Bone. I could be incorrect on that assumption, but I don't know for sure. So 844 Bone, I'm talking 850 bucks. These liquidity pools are very, very small, guys. Please keep that in mind. This one's decent here. But nonetheless, very small. And these are the largest gainers, and they don't have a very good score at all because they're still very, very new. Over the last 24 hours, rug pull on its way to being I don't know if this is a rug pull yet or not. This one could just be having massive profit taking place. Down. There's a lot of losers out there as well. So please be aware that if you are investing into anything on Shibarium, I mean, you're willing to lose as much as you're willing to gain there. I was buying Bitcoin out of ATM machine time in the Haunted gas station, Bel Air Avenue in Cleveland when it was dirt cheap. You know what, Tim, man? That's crazy, dude. To think, and the same thing could happen for any of these coins now, man. You look at a lot of these coins that come out and they've got a couple $1 million market cap, and you're thinking, dude, I don't want to spend $1 on that coin. It's nothing. Who's to say a decade from now it's not going to have a $500 billion valuation like Google does, like Bitcoin does, and it goes from $1 a coin to 50,000 a coin. I mean, those are the things, man, that you got to look at there. It's totally what it is. I may have missed something, but it's alright. So I kind of went almost all in on leverage positions on perp. I just have a feeling. Oh god, dude, you guys kill me with your leverage, man. Hey, Tim, though, you're making out. You're making out big, man. Just don't lose, right? Set a stop loss on at 40 cents so I can go to sleep tonight, so that you don't lose on your position there. But you're killing it if you're leveraged right now, man. I'm loving it. I still think YFII could get to those levels. Yeah, Dark Bro, you know, YFII has been in the multi-$1,000 price points before, though, right? It was way up there, down to 300s now. Okay, it's at $400. $400, but the all-time highs were at like 8,000. So, 7,500. So, yeah, dude, absolutely. You know, this coin could definitely get up there. The market cap right now is only $17 million. That is very, very low. All-time high market caps, $250 million. Imagine, would you, that this coin here hits a $100 billion market cap 10 years from now. You know, Dark Bro, that's the thing, dude. Even if this coin, even if they never make it for you, okay? Now, I'm not going to say that you're not going to be very pleased if these coins go up in 30 years from now, and Dark Bro is like 55 years old, and all of a sudden he's sitting on $10 million when he's 55. Dark Bro's still going to be very happy with that. But, I mean, dude, if it takes that long, man, and you're sitting on ridiculous money, you're still going to be able to take care of your family. You're still going to be able to do all of this, even if it happens 100 years from now. If it's something, could you imagine your great-great-great-grandma passes you shares of AT&T when they were first introduced, and all of a sudden you're sitting on $50 million right now? Your grandma never got to see the splendor, but you did, and you would still be very thankful for that. So that's the thing, man. You know, we might not see million X gains in everything that we own, but if you believe in it, we could absolutely see some crazy longer-term gains. Clay, you can't not financial advice, but can you FF advice? Because you're an expert. Tell JB to put Kels in tonight. Yes, JB, if you are listening right now, make sure that you play Kelsey tonight, okay? You know, it's like the situation when Bobby Boucher showed up at halftime. The Mud Dogs went on to win the Bourbon Bowl. It's just like that. I believe they're duping everybody and saying that this Kelsey fella is unable to play or has tweaked his knee or whatever he did. I've seen the guy. I've seen a picture of him, man. He's got a nice looking wife or fiance, whatever she is. Guy's got a pretty solid beard. Looks like a good dude that we would all hang out with. So this Kelsey fella, I believe if his team's down, okay, he's going to show up in the locker room at halftime. And he's going to give a Bobby Boucher-style speech. Him and his team are going to rally at halftime. They're going to go on to win the Bourbon Bowl. That's all you need to know. JB, put him in, man. Put him in. Don't be afraid to play Kelsey tonight or tomorrow night. When's he play? Tonight? If he plays tonight, do it tonight. Wall Street memes. You think it'll be a good rug pull, even though it is going to be added to an exchange. Also, ETF for Ethereum will also be set back with the SEC. Yeah, so ERK. I imagine if Bitcoin is set back with the SEC, the Ethereum is going to be set back as well with the SEC. Dang, man, Bitcoin throwing some greens. Shiba Inu coin must be throwing them as well. Yeah, there you go. All right, so we got some greens coming on the screen. Yeah, I would imagine Ethereum's going to follow a similar trajectory as Bitcoin does when it comes to the ETFs out there. Stop loss on per bit $1. Boom, Tim, I love it, dude. Guaranteed to make money. I love it. But you know what? Wall Street memes, dude. I haven't been following that coin. Look, as long as it's not a honeypot, even if they have intentions of draining the liquidity pool, if you get out before they do, I mean, you're still okay. The thing is, if it's a honeypot, you can't get out. So, Even if it is set up as a rug pull, dude, if you get out before they pull the rug, I mean, you're still okay. Like a leverage trading, I just had I just have the gall to trade big. Haven't traded with more than 100. Yeah, true. Here's the thing, though. Keep it that way. Keep it that way. I've leverage traded before and just hit a bomb, dude. I've hit a bomb. So be careful leverage trading. Oh, guys. I don't know how it's over at 5 o'clock already. I don't think Bobby Boucher's mom signed the waiver, though. It's all right, dude. It's all right. Nobody needs to worry about what Bobby Boucher's mom did and did not sign. Bobby Boucher was over 18, my boy. He don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about no mother waiver in that situation. He was over 18. He was going to college. Dude, are we arguing about whether or not Bobby Boucher was eligible to play for the Mud Dogs? How do we get on these conversations? You guys are going to make me cry, man. We cannot be arguing about whether or not Bobby Boucher was eligible to play for the Mud Dogs, man. This is ridiculous right now. Oh, gosh. See you tomorrow. Meetings of Mindless in the morning. Meetings of the Mindless in the morning. All right, Moji. Yes, guys. It is after 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We'll be back tomorrow. We're going to be back this evening with videos at 7 p.m. and videos at 8 p.m. Watch them 1,000 times and share them everywhere, man. Click the like button. Leave 1,000 comments. All that good stuff. Let's shout it out and we'll get out of here. True, man. Enjoy it, Tim. See you later. True, enjoy your day. ERK. See you later, man. Outdoor Smile. Have a great evening. Moji. Dark Bro. Outdoor Smile. Moji. Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile. Tim. See you later, man. Gorilla Invictus. Pudgy. See you later. Outdoor Smile. See you later. Yes, we got JJ. You know what time it is, man? It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ. 22 months, oh bro, man, loving it right now. SD says, later my friends. PS5, see you later. Pudgy, enjoy your evening. DD214, Moji, Old Rounder, Back to the Future, Bobcat bro, bye bye to you. Have a good day as well. Gorilla Invictus, see you later, man. Back to the Future 99, later to you. Eddie, can I get a gift? Yes, Eddie, being in here is a gift, man. Back to the Future, see you later. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, click the wrong one. I would like to see my banana. Well, Pudgy, I can tell you some advice in the DMs about how to do that, but I will gladly give you a little bit of a lick and a stick. So that when you know where to find the banana, you know how to properly eat it as well. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. And you know what? There's that was just for the last one. This is to actually make up for your banana, dude. You take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. One lick, one stick is all it takes. Pudgy, thank you very much for both of those super chats. Sorry to get you on that one. Oh, I got Emma's monkey emoji. I got Emma's monkey. I know that. That's why you just got 2 bananas right there, Pudgy. Appreciate all of you guys. Eddie, see you later, man. Moji, Dark Bro, Moji, Pudgy, Tim, Pudgy, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Pudgy, that is the worst super chat that I have ever seen, man. I counted the slowest I have ever counted to 16, and I was right there ready to click on it. And this dude comes in with a nope. I know you did it on purpose so that I would have to get you on the next one, but nope. I got you on this one. I thought we were leaving, and nope, but now we are. Pudgy man, thank you very much for that super chat. I have no idea why I waited that long, but I did. Mucho ignore, I think not. Outdoor smile. I'll see you guys later. You know what time it is. I'll let you say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. This dude is taking way too long. I'm gonna count faster. I guarantee I count faster. Pudgy, thank you very. You guys are killing me. You guys are killing me right now. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Nope. 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 Yes. Nope again. I think yes this time. Moji, thank you very much for the nope again. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. I know we're gonna make it. Mojis would have been way too slow if Pudgy didn't come in there with that that crying face right there. Pudgy man, thank you very much. Moji, thank you very much. Pudgy, outdoor smile. Moji, 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 outdoor smile. Pudgy, Pudgy, Pudgy. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Nope. Nope! I thought we were leaving, but nope, we're not leaving. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. And, yep, we are going to be leaving this time. I know we are. Pudgy, thank you very much. Moji and Pudgy, appreciate both of you guys. I'll let you say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, that's my face to Dark Bro's comment right there. When one of Dark Bro's coins hits and this dude banks 100,000, he says he's never gonna let me leave. You guys are gonna watch me die, and that'll be the end of Clay Bro right there. Pudgy man, thank you very much. Moji with a Moji, thank you. I don't even. Where's D's been? Has D's been in here? Does anybody know what happened to D's? I mean, Moji sending a peach reminds me of D's, but I haven't seen D's. I don't remember saying that name quite a bit over the last couple of days or maybe even weeks here. Somebody gotta find D's, man. I don't know where. Oh, yes, dude. Moji, we got ourselves a La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika 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 Peek. Last time you guys, the 12 of you, better do it with me. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, La Pika 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 Peek, La Pika 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 Peek. Moji, man, thank you very. Moji, really quick, did I follow you on Twitter today, or is there somebody who's literally impersonating Moji out there? Let me know as we sign off here. But Moji, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Moji, thank you very much for the peach. Thank you very much, Pudgy, 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 Moji, Pudgy, Moji, Pudgy, and Dark Bro, and Outdoor Smile, and everybody else in here. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you. Oh, yeah, wait until the meet and greet, man. I'm going to hit Pudgy in the side of the head. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Oh my gosh. I don't know what time it is, man. I don't know what time it is, but I'll let you say it if you want to say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.